Hello, and welcome to your video talking about the distributive property. It's a long word, but I think you'll be able to catch on to what we're doing. Okay, first, let me ask you to do this. I would like you to solve this equation. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is what's in parentheses. And 4 plus 7 we know is 11. So then that gives us 13 times 11. And if you put that into your handy dandy calculator, you get 143. So that problem has an answer of 143. Well, here's what you may not know, is that you can solve that problem, that same problem, using a different technique. So I'm just going to rewrite the problem is 13 times 4 plus 7. But this time we're going to distribute this 13. So it becomes 13 times 4 and then a plus sign and then 13 times 7. When you put that in your calculator, you have 13 times 4, which is 52, and then 13 times 7, which is 91. So now we have 52 plus 91, which, if you put that in your calculator, gives you, again, 143. So that you see, you get the exact same answer. This is using the distributive property. You're distributing your number 13 over what's in parentheses. Now you're probably saying to yourself, why in the world would I want to do that? Well, you probably wouldn't in that particular situation. But you could if you wanted to, which you probably don't. But still, you could do it. Now you might be asking yourself, okay, great, I can do it, but when would I ever choose to do it? And the answer is that you start really understanding the importance of the distributive property once you have equations with variables in them. So here is our equation. 46 times the quantity m plus 9, end quantity, equals 598. Okay, how are we going to solve for m? Well, we're going to need the distributive property. So what let's do is let's rewrite this equation distributing that 46. So we have 46m, 46 times m, plus 46 times 9, 46 times 9, equals 598. So all I did was rewrite this side of the equation. And then I do a little bit of math. I do 46m plus, and I use my handy dandy calculator to figure out what 46 times 9 is, and if you are playing along at home, you'll know that the answer is 414 equals 598. All right, what do we do next? Well, we subtract the 414 from each side. So that leaves us with 46m equals whatever this math is, 598 minus 414, which, as long as you don't make any errors punching those numbers into your calculator, should give you 184. Divide both sides by 46, and we get an answer of m equals 4. To check that, we would go back up here and we would say, all right, is it true that 46 times 4 plus 9 equals 598? Well, that would be 46 times 13. Does that equal 598? And indeed it does. So our answer checks out. So m equals 4. You would not be able to solve this problem unless you had the distributive property, and that is why you need to know it.